So the press up is only arms. Everything else stays relaxed and flat. So don't squeeze your glutes, don't squeeze your low back. Nothing should be working really except like your triceps, basically, on this press up. The press up is something you want to maybe hold 2 seconds. You can play around with how long you hold that. And then I'm going to show you a progression. So to get a little more aggressive, and this is going to actually usually feels very good. My back kind of calls out for it. What you want to do is add an exhale when you're up. So you're going to inhale on the press, in, and then blow it out. And you'll feel your low back sag deeper towards the floor. Drop down and do it again. Now here's another alternative. What you can do once you're up, you can shift your weight to one thigh, hold it a second or two, shift to the other, and dang, that feels good. Especially if you've been sitting a lot in the day, this is going to feel probably pretty amazing.